Hello friends, today I am making a video of baking soda and vinegar. So we're going to need vinegar, baking soda, a bottle and a funnel kind of shape, and we will need a balloon. Now I'm going to use this funnel shape to put the baking soda in. Now I am putting it on. Now I have put it on. I'm going to take 3 spoons. Now the baking soda is in the balloon. Now I'm going to put the vinegar into this and it will go down into this bottle. Now I've poured it in. Now you should twist the balloon. But before you do that, get out all the air, and now we will twist the balloon. Now I'm going to put it. Whoa, it's so hard. Whoa, see how it goes? It's like a magnet. It's a magnet. Lift the balloon and let all the baking soda begin to rise up. It's about to explode, I think. And this is my balloon.